Namaskar. Welcome to Initiative of Sciences after a long time. Today we are going to discuss problem of projectile motion for NEET aspirants. Okay. So let us have first of all quick revision of theory of projectile motion. As we know, it is two-dimensional motion. When we throw an object with some angle with horizontal, in absence of air resistance, it executes two-dimensional motion that is called projection, motion of a projectile, and that object is called projectile. So, as there is no air resistance, means we are neglecting the air resistance. Okay, there is no force in horizontal direction. So acceleration in horizontal direction is considered to be zero. So velocity is considered to be constant. Okay? And in y direction we will consider the gravitational force, and hence we will consider the gravitational acceleration. Thus this is two-dimensional motion. Let us quickly derive the expressions and then we will solve this problem, which was asked in IIT screening in 2003, but it is always evergreen problems. Okay? These are always evergreen problems. So see, y-axis, x-axis, O. This path of projected object is called trajectory, okay, which is here parabola. That we will derive in expression as well. Okay. So this is the direction of initial velocity. Suppose this angle is alpha. Alpha is called angle of projection. Okay. And this will be initial velocity. And x component of it, we know that component adjacent to alpha is called cos, so u cos alpha, and to give it direction it is I cap, that is unit vector in x direction, and then here it is y component, that is sin alpha into j cap. J cap is unit vector in y direction. Okay, now for horizontal motion, as I told you, is with constant velocity. So suppose the object is reaching at some point, we know that the velocity will be in tangential direction. This is called, say, v. Okay? Then we will have two components, vx and vy. Vx is always u cos alpha, constant velocity in x direction. Okay? So say it as x by t, then x can be written as u cos alpha into t, or say t equals to x upon u cos alpha. This is all about motion in x direction or horizontal direction, which is constant velocity. Now vertical direction, okay? Vertical motion. Or along y-axis, let us say it along y-axis. So we know that v equals to v0 plus at for accelerated motion. Here say v as vy. v0 is u sin alpha. A is minus t because it is opposing the motion. Okay, and we know that v equals to v0 t plus half at square. So it will be v0 is u sin alpha in y direction. Okay, we can replace t here, okay, as x upon u cos alpha minus half g, because a is minus g. T we can replace again x upon u cos alpha whole square. So this u will be cancelled. D can be seen as y. Okay, y. Then y will be equal to say x tan alpha minus g upon 2u square cos square alpha x square. This is in form of ax minus bx square. So it indicates that the path is parabola. Okay. Now this is called maximum height. The time taken to reach there is called Tm. So at time t equals to Tm, okay, we know that here the velocity will be on the next direction, so Vy will be equal to 0. So if I put here Vy equals to 0, it will be u sine alpha minus Gtm. So Gtm will be equal to u sine alpha. So Tm will be equal to u sine alpha upon g. That is called the time taken to reach to the maximum height. Okay. Now time taken to reach to this level, okay, will be say Tf, time of flight. That will be equal to Tm. Okay, and that will be equal to 2u sine alpha upon g. Now this is called range. That is maximum horizontal displacement. Okay, so r equals to, say, when we take x equals to r, we have to take t equals to time of flight in this equation. Then it will be r equals to u cos alpha into tf is 2u sine alpha upon g. So range will be equal to 2u sine alpha. So range will be equal to u square into 2 sine alpha cos alpha upon g, can be written as u square sine 2 alpha upon g. This is called range, the horizontal displacement, maximum horizontal displacement. Now this is called height. We can use this d equals to v square minus v0 square by 2a. So we can say d equals to h equals to vy square, okay, minus u sine alpha whole square by 2a is minus g. But Vy is 0 because at maximum height y direction velocity is 0. So 0 square minus u square sine square alpha upon minus 2g. So this minus minus will be cancelled and you will get formula for h, that is u square sine square alpha upon 2g. These three formula you have to remember. Okay. Now for this numerical problem, let us apply this formula. They have given that range is 24 km and maximum height is 8 km. Now, as I told you, range has formula u square sine 2 alpha upon g. U square sine 2 alpha upon g. And h has formula u square sine square alpha upon 2g. So taking ratio, therefore r by h, that is 24 by 8, will be equal to u square. Now again I will put sine 2 alpha as 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Actually for B group students, it is formula of mathematics. It is formula from multiples and submultiples. So you have to keep in mind that sine 2 alpha is 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Okay, we can derive it, but it is a topic of maths, so let us keep in mind that it is sine 2 alpha equals to 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Okay, upon g divided by u square sine square alpha upon 2g. So u square by g will be cancelled. These two will go up, so it will be 4, okay, sine alpha cos alpha upon sine square alpha. So 1 sine alpha will be cancelled. Here it will be 24 by 8, so 3. 3 equals to, say,